Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to CassieJ. Today we are actually going to be doing my wallet cash stuffing. I have my wallet here, but it had a whole bunch of stuff that was falling out, and so I was trying to not have it in there. But this is my wallet that I had got from Amazon. The link is in the description down below. It is a rose gold color. The previous one that I had was red, and the one before that was black. I'm so like in love with these, but I am going to be stuffing my envelopes that are in my wallet. So as for starting the video, I did not do an intro. My name is CassieJ. I am a cash budgeter. I'm also a digital budgeter. I am doing savings challenges. I do cash envelopes, and I am always trying to pay off my debt or work on my credit. So I am going to take y'all on that journey, do more budget with me, because I realize that I have not. I'm going to go ahead and just start. We are going to be stuffing $240. We have 5 ones, 4 20s. I'm sorry, we have 5 ones, 4 5s, 10 10s, and 6 20s, which is going to be to the $245. And I have my little cheat sheet here back on the back. I do have to revamp this only because my gas, I realized that I'm not using as much gas. I'm no longer DoorDash. And then for the groceries, we realized that we are going to be needing more towards groceries, and that's because the summer's coming. So $75 is not going to be enough. Eating out, because we have so much food in the house, our eating out amount is at $30 is actually really good. With the household items, I realized that before I was buying a whole bunch of cleaning supplies and stuff like that. I'm still buying a whole bunch of cleaning supplies, but my mom is a couponer, so some of those things she gets for a lot cheaper. So $15 is actually holding us, so that's actually pretty good. I will be working in office more, so I'm going to have $5 for the for my coffee or breakfast, and then I'm going to have $15 for the day, so $20 a day, which is $100 a week. That's going to go towards my lunch and work envelope. The kids are going to have the still the remaining $10 each one, and then whatever they don't spend is going to go into their actual savings account. And then my miscellaneous, I was thinking $15 is actually pretty good, so it is going to be. So let's go ahead and count the money. And after this, I got to clock in because I basically took the morning off because I was just like, I just couldn't. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. To make sure. And then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we are at 220. And I did get my Dunkin' this morning. I actually tried a frozen butter pecan drink, and I did not like it. I've had it. It's already melted down. It doesn't even look like it's frozen. Like, that's how long I've had it. I'm trying to drink it, but it was not tickling my fancy. So yeah, we're supposed to have 20 and 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And then 5 and 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. So for my cheat sheet, I'm gonna revamp it, so I'm gonna have to wipe out everything off. We did have these in the shop, but if we do add it back, it will be a freebie. We're not selling them as a bundle, but this is the little girl that we feel represents both me and Cynthia in our shop. So gas, we're going to go ahead and put 40. I do work closer, 20, 40. I do work closer to my job, so that part I like the most. So gas has 40. So groceries, we're going to put 75. 60. 70. 5, 20, 40, 60, 75. What I'm doing is with my rollover money, putting it towards debt. So I'm trying to not spend anything that I don't need to spend. 40, 60, 75. But I am going to try to spend less. actually get everything settled, because we just basically just got into, you know, the apartment and tried to get settled and everything the way it needs to be. So household, let me see if this is the order, because I told myself I was going to redo the orders of miscellaneous and then little midgets. Yeah. So breakfast, little midgets, household, business, eating out, and miscellaneous. Alright, so breakfast, which I have this little coupon code where I get a burger and get a free one, but I haven't used it yet, so that's staying in there. $20, 10, 20, and that's only because I'm still going into 2 days out the week, and I still have a whole bunch of coffee that I plan on trying to use before I go into the office, and food that I want to meal prep and bring in there for this week. 30 for the kiddos. 10, 20, 30. And then household, 15. And then business is 20. I think let's put this over to the side, because I don't need anything. I'm not using my printer right now. I'm not using I already made an order that I'm waiting to come in. So let's say the $20 is going to go to the side, and we'll allocate it in a second. Alright, so, and then eating out is going to get 30. And then miscellaneous is going to get 15. So, should be the remaining 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what I'm thinking is to put this 20 in emergency funds. Alright, so I have been I took all the money out of my family emergency. A couple things had came up, and I didn't want to swipe my credit card, and I ended up taking out the emergency fund, the money that was in here, and I put it in the bank. It had hit, I think I hit $100, and so I was going to do prop money, but my prop money is in the storage, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Every time it hits 100, I'm going to move it into the bank, and I'm not going to have a placeholder, just because right now, with it being everything in the garage, I have to I got to work smarter, not harder. So once I actually move and everything's back to normal and I have access to everything again, then of course I'll go back to prop dollars and doing better at keeping track of everything. But right now, I'm just happy I'm able to stuff. So in this binder, if you're new here, which please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below and say hello. But in this envelope, I have my emergency funds. My 5K family emergency fund is for the family. If anything happens, we have to leave out of town, or if like my mom needs money, or my kids are needing something that I don't want to touch their sinking funds or anything like that, then I'll come in here and I'll just take the money from here. So this is where this money's from. This is a savings challenge that's going to help me save $750, and it has a tracker on here, and it's a paper, and I just mark out whenever I fill in one of these. And then it has 12 envelopes, and the front is vellum and the back is white, and you stuff it once you stuff a 20, you put 20. Once you stuff 14, you put the 14. And so it looks like this whenever you have multiple things in there. And I just stuff it whenever I'm able to. So I don't really have, you know, and this is one of the items, the new items that we are adding into the shop. And so I started it, but I haven't really done too much for it. Then I have a Vegas envelope where my mom wants to go to Vegas. I think she said twice a year. And I'm pretty sure there's other casinos throughout the world. So I have an envelope for Vegas, but I also, if we plan on, or if you find another place for her to go, I'm probably going to more than likely give her this money. I might actually go to Vegas, but I'm not a gambler at all whatsoever. And so if I do go, I would vlog it and I would show the things that I do that are, you know, things that you could take your kids to or something like that. Because I would have to do research, but I do want to go to Vegas, but it's not my goal to go. And if I do go, I told Olympia that I would like to meet her there, just because she loves to go to Vegas. So the amount that we have in here is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then $18, which is actually pretty good. I've only been, every time I come in here, I only stuff $1. And so I guess I stuffed 18 times. Sometimes I'll probably stuff more than that, but I don't stuff that one too much. And then that's my A5. I do have other A5 challenges coming and A6 challenges coming, so keep an eye out for that. And then, just so y'all can see the binder. I don't know why, but I like to see the actual binder in the video sometimes, so just, you know, just so you can see it. And then I have this one. It has my random topics because I'm trying to get my life together. I have a birthday trip that we're going to go to Houston. And that has 10, 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 in it. $46. I have a Black Friday envelope, and I only think it has like $11 in it. Oh, $12. Christmas, only $1 or $2. Family, $1 or $2. Self-care, like $1 or $2. I took all the money out of these and put it in my emergency fund. Birthday, household, month ahead, luxury, health, miscellaneous, transfer Tuesday, which is on going back to pay debt, and then my car maintenance, which is going to take my other $10, and now it's going to have 10, 15, 16, 17. And once we go to Houston, since I'm taking my car, more than likely I will be doing another oil change just to be on the safe side. And then a new home deposit, and then business investments, and then cruise. All of those only have $1. I had a moment and I wasn't feeling okay with leaving my money here while I was at work, and so I just took all the ones that had money in it, put it in my emergency fund. It went over 100. All of it went to the emergency fund instead of me just leaving some in there. So that's why it was like depleted and at $0. So I ended up doing more than what I thought, but this is my weekly budget. So I do apologize, but if there is anything that y'all are interested in, please let us know. Please reach out to us on Instagram. We have it as S&C Budget Creations now. It's no longer Cynthia and CassieJ Creates. And then also we're going to be updating a lot of the things. We're thinking about having another way of communicating with y'all and adding an email so that whenever we have promotions or giveaways or savings challenges or new products or anything like that, we're thinking about you know, having an email so that y'all can still communicate with us even if something like this were to happen and it's down or shut down or closed or whatever. But as of right now, it will be a to be continued as to the date as to when we open. But I will go ahead and let y'all go. Thank y'all so much for staying with me. If y'all did stay to the very end, go ahead and leave a random green heart emoji in the comments down below, and I would appreciate that so much. I really appreciate y'all staying here. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye guys.